Alright, so today I just installed it. It's the engine bay for the lights. It's the whole strip from Lightingtrendz, waterproof. I ran it all the way. Make sure you guys order the splitter. You guys could hook it up straight to the box. And then what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna install the hood, the light. I'm just gonna try to squeeze it in as much as I could. This is how you guys install that. How people have the lights in the hood, in the vents. They kind of like stroll it around and then guide it, looking like that. Make it look professional. Don't look all messy. Wires hanging. You don't want none of that. Especially in a car like this, you don't want nothing catching on fire. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a little bit. And then, so I kind of already installed it, so you guys can see what it looks like. That's the lights. It's the white. The engine looks really nice, really nice. And then, but it's gonna be set up even like a lot better. So if I have a light, it's gonna be beaming through here. So I'll let you know how it goes right now. Alright, so this is the last steps right here. This is what it basically looks like right now. At night it would be a lot brighter, of course, but you can tell, you can see the snorkel lights look mean, look crazy. That's crazy. Ooh, man. Let's check that white out. Ooh. Let's check out that Christmas. Ooh. I'm ready for Christmas. Alright. Let's go back to green. So I wrapped it around. Give it a good little wrap. And there goes the hood. The lights for the engine bay. Pretty simple. So remember, it's waterproof too, so you don't gotta worry about nothing. I basically rounded it around. It's that long, basically. So I wrapped it up, started from here all the way towards the back, and it kind of goes back a little far too. So you could bring it back a little bit, and then just run it down. This is how I ran it down. Came out right here to your dang, what the heck is this called? Your windshield wiper, the fluid. Run it down, like so, and bam, good connection. And remember, make sure you guys get this, the extension. It's a lot faster. You don't gotta cut no wires like I did over here because I didn't have it. But Lightingtrendz, I actually didn't order this. He ended up sending it to me. Thank you very much. But yeah, and like so. It looks pretty mean, pretty crazy. I want to see at night what it looks like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Next, I'm probably going to end up ordering the grill lights, putting them on, see what it looks like. But other than that, that's how you install the hood vent lights, the engine bay light. Damn, that's nasty right there. I love it.